Hey guys, this is Ritesh back with another video, and in this video I will show how you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. Guys, before installing NetBeans application, make sure that you have installed JDK file on your Windows operating system, and if it is not, then no need to worry. I will show how you can download and install that. So here we go. Guys, for this open up your favorite browser and type Java JDK. Here you will get the first link that is provided by the Oracle. Click on that. And here you have to click on download. And here you have to choose accept license agreement, and for if it is Windows, then obviously you have to choose Windows and click on the file. Here guys, it is of 64-bit, and click on start download. So guys, I have already installed JDK file and it is very simple to install. You can check it. Go to this PC, go to C drive, program files. Here you will see the Java folder, and now you will see the JDK and JRE has been installed. Guys, now you have to set the path for the environment variable, and for that you just have to go to control panel and go to system, go to advanced system settings. Here in advanced you will see the environment variables. Click on that. Now in system variable you will see the path, and double click or edit, and here again you can click double. Now here's the main thing. You have to go to the Java directory and click on JDK, go to bin, and now you just have to copy the path. So copy it, again go to edit environment variable and click on this semicolon and paste the file. Once the file is pasted, you go to directory again, and now you have to do the same thing for the JRE. So click on the JRE, go to bin, again copy the path, again you have to give a semicolon and paste it over here. So guys, I have already set the path for it, so click on OK. So guys, once you have downloaded and installed JDK file and configured it, now the main task is to download NetBeans. For this again you have to go to the browser and type NetBeans. Now go to this NetBeans IDE download, and here you will see many options like Java SE, Java EE, HTML5, JavaScript, PHP, C or C++, but I would like to suggest you should download this all one. It supports many languages. So click on this download, and it is file of 221 MB. click on start download. So guys, it will take some time to download. So guys, my file has been downloaded. Now I have to install it. Click on this next. Accept the license agreement. And here you will see some path. So no need to do anything. So directly click on next. And you can check this out. So guys, it will take some time to install, so have patience. So guys, after some time you will see this checkbox, and it is written that contribute to the NetBeans project by providing anonymous users data. So if you want, you can check this out and click on this finish. You will see this NetBeans shortcut icon on this computer screen. Click on that. So this is the main dashboard of the NetBeans application. From here you can create your project. If you want to create a new project, then just click on this new project. And yes, if you want to create a Java project, then click on this Java and this Java application, then again click on next. And yes, this is finding some features. It will take some time, no need to worry. So guys, here you have to give your project name. I don't want to give any name, so click on this finish. So guys, everything has been done. I have installed the Java development kit, and yes, I have configured it. And the third part is that I have installed a NetBeans application. So yes, everything has been done. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and also press the bell icon, so whenever I upload the video you get the notification first. So, and also subscribe my channel to get some more videos like this. So till now, thank you.